Hello Smartivity family! Ever dreamed of building your own world with your own house, with your own family members, even adding pets? Sounds impossible, but not with Smartivity Art and Craft Studio. With this, you can create your own world in just 2 minutes. Step 1. Building a house. Yes, you can create your own house using piece paper, a 3D house that is designed entirely by you. So let's start making. Look at this, we just made our own house. But what's a house without your family members? Don't worry, we have them too. Here's your mom, here's your dad, and here's you. We will add them to your own house.
Eat your breakfast first.
Hey, let's watch football match together.
See, you can play as your whole family. Isn't that amazing? Now every family needs pets, and let's add them with origami. Look, we just made a frog and a rabbit too. It was so easy to make. It's like having real pets. Isn't that amazing? Now everybody's hungry. Let's make some food for them. Use these clays to make burger, pizza, anything you want, anything you love. Look, we just made a pastry, a pizza, and a burger too. Isn't it super cool? But remember, it's only for playing. Don't eat it yourself. Okay? Now every house needs a decoration and we will draw it. But don't worry if you are not a pro artist. Smartivity makes it easy for you. Just trace, color, and voila, your art is ready. See how easy it was and how beautiful it is. See, in just few minutes we built a house with your parents, their food, and your pets, and even decoration. Isn't it so much easy? It's not just craft, it's building your own world. So grab your Smartivity Art and Craft Studio today and let your imagination run wild. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.